the heart of the community is Orchard Park, 1 hectare in size and designed by the renowned Fleming's Landscapes. It's going to include parks, swings and an oval fit for that Sunday game of cricket. Construction of Orchard Park is already underway. It's scheduled for completion late in 2020, ready for when you move in. We'll also post regular updates in the news section, so be sure to jump on our website and check it out.